Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming with another video where the children will be reading these words. They're not going to be sounding out the words. We don't want to make the sound. We want to read the words. If your child is still struggling with sound, maybe you could go back to the basic with just one CVC, one vowel, one consonant. So three sounds altogether instead of five. So your child should be reading the words. This video should be done more than one time, not just in one sitting. And watch it with your child. Make sure they're reading it fluently, not choppy. And they should be getting better with reading. Alo parents yo, se Mrs.Jerome-Severe ki epi nan video sa kote ti moun yo pral li mou ankon. Mwen kouraje nou. Pou ti moun yo li mou yo, pa kite yo fè son yo. Si ou bezwen fè son, ale gade lot chanel ki montre ki jan ti moun yo ki jan pou yo fè son. Men mou sa yo se li nou pral li yo. Guys, you must be reading these words. Now sounding out these words. Parents yo pata suppose ap di no, you're supposed to limo gadel epi yo lil. Okay? So we're gonna be doing the short E sound. The short E says eh, eh. You open your mouth a little bit, your chin go down, eh, and then your mouth open a little bit. Your tongue should be in the middle of your mouth. Then say eh, like an egg, or as in edge, or as in elephant. Okay? So let's review our letter sounds. Here we go. We have the letter E. E says eh. M says S says S. T says T. P says F says F. N says N. D says D. C says K. G says G. B says B. Parents, please encourage your children not to put extra sound at the end of the words. Parents, make sure ti moun yo pa mette lot son nan alphabet yo. K says K. H says H. R says R. L says L. W says W. J says J. Y says Y. X says X. Q says Q. V says V. Z says Z. Okay, we're going to read the words, boys and girls. Look at the word. And say it. Blend. Say it. Blend. Blend is when you mix things together to become one. Blend. Look at the word. If you look at the word and you say it to yourself, you should be able to read the word. Alrighty? I'm gonna count to 5. I'm gonna count to 3. Then you're gonna read it with me at the same time, and your mommy is gonna hear you say the word. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Crest. Very good. Crest. Very good. Crest is the top of something. The top of something. So like this is a cactus. A cactus is a plant, and the bird is sitting on the crest of the cactus. Okay, the eagle is standing on the crest of the cactus. That's mean on the point of it, the highest part of it. Ready? We're going to count to 3 again. The counting to 3 is to give you a chance to look at the letter and say it to yourself. Look at the word and say it to yourself. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Crepe. 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 Crepe is a past tense of creep, meaning you move slowly, quietly. Like you could say, The smell crept across the garden slowly. Crept is the past tense of creeping. Okay, you ready? I'm going to give you 3 seconds to look at the word. And when we're going to count to 3, you're going to say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Slept. Slept. Very good. Slept is the past tense of sleep. That's me. I slept in my mommy's bed last night. Slept. Slept means you did it already. I'm going to give you 3 seconds to look at the letters. Say it to yourself. In 1, 2, 3. Spend. Very good. You said it with me. Spend. To spend means you use the money to buy something. She decided to spend the money of her to buy ice cream. Spend. You use the money to buy something. All right. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Spent. Yes, very good. Spent. Spent means something past tense. You already did it. Like, remember, you spend the money to buy ice cream. Spent mean you already used the money. Spent mean you already used the money. He spent his afternoon running outside. Yesterday he spent the whole day playing video game. It's already done. 3 seconds to look at the words, to look at the letters. In 1, 2, 3. Swept. 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 Swept is the past tense of sweep, meaning you cleaned it already. Yesterday, my mommy swept the floor. Yesterday, Daddy swept the garage. I swept my bedroom in the afternoon. Swept means you already done it. Okay, you're gonna get 3 seconds again. 1, 2, 3. Trend. Trend. Very good. Trend is generally a direction in which something is changing, like the fashion. Some children likes to wear the trend is the children like to wear hoodies when it's 100 degrees outside. Yes, that's the trend that I see every first graders doing. Trend means something that everybody's doing. Mostly doing. Everybody's doing the same thing. When you look, everybody's doing it. That's a trend. Okay, thank you. Keep learning your words. Remember, watch the video again. Practice. If you stumble on a few words that you miss, it's okay. Practice makes perfect. When you make a mistake, you learn from it. Practice reading these words, and you will be a pro at reading these words. C'est tout ça, c'est ma mission te gen pou nou. Pa bliye, fè ti moun yo pratike toutan. Si yo te fè ti fote, c'est pas problème. You doit pratiquer, continuer pratiquer, et puis comme ça, pour yo ka vin compte ki jan pou yo li mo yo pi bien. C'est pratique qui fait ti moun yo konnen. Pa bliye subscribe, pa bliye partager, pa bliye fè ti moun yo gade vidéo tout temps, et puis bon mon petit pouce, fè nou konnen, fè m konnen ke nou reme vidéo yo. So give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you like the video. Share with a friend, share with a neighbor, share it with somebody who has a child who's struggling. Because I know there are children struggling because I have them in my class. And I know my school is not the only one. So until next time, have a wonderful day. A bientôt. Bye.